Hi guys, welcome to Work In, Work Out. Here we work in, we work out. We also eat healthily, and in case you don't want to spend big money on those large protein shakes, maybe it's not for you, maybe you want a more natural option, then what we're going to do here is we're going to show you how to make a homemade protein shake. It's something that you can make quite easily, doesn't take long, it's really nutritious. And really wholesome stuff. Let's talk about some of the ingredients we've got here. So, the key ingredients, we're going to make a banana smoothie, okay? Banana and almond peanut butter smoothie. I know you're thinking about it right now. You can actually bring in some other ingredients, like if you like strawberries, and drop a few strawberries in there as well. We're just going with plain, I say plain, banana smoothie, of which you need 2. Peanut butter or almond butter. Almond butter is slightly better for you. If you're watching out for that. We need half a small cup of oats. That's the oats there. Cinnamon for a bit of flavour. Ground ginger. I always like ginger, gives a bit of a kick. One of my favourites, whole nutmeg. You need your milk. And to add a bit of extra protein in there, we've got flaxseed. Which it says here, it's a great sprinkle on things like smoothies. It's really nutritious, iron, zinc. It's got really good stuff in here. So you just sprinkle that on top. You can have that on top of your porridge. You can also put it in a smoothie as well. So talking about protein, we're getting protein from the flaxseed. We're also getting protein from almonds in terms of sort of the almond peanut butter as well. Right, let me show you how it's done. First off, you need your container. Now, if you've got one of these at home, great. If you've just got an ordinary blender, that can do it as well. And here we've got a Nutribullet, which is really good for making fast smoothies and shakes when you want to. Okay, so let's start off. Start piling them in. So first off here, in go the oats. That's that. 2 bananas. Now, another tip you can actually do is you can actually freeze the bananas, so that just gives, when you pop them in, it's already ice cold. But if you're going to drink the smoothie later, you can pop it in the fridge, or if you're happy with it at room temperature, you just go straight away and drink it. So these bananas go in, just peel those. Drop that in, I'm going to break it up. 1, 2 halves there, plus this one. Break that in half, pop that in there. Now we start with the herbs and spices. Okay, let's see. Right, get your cinnamon in there. I like plenty of cinnamon, so I'm generous with it. I don't tend to hold back, because for me it makes a really nice deep background flavour. There we go. We've got enough in there. That's cinnamon. Let's go with some ground ginger. Not too much of ginger. I find the ginger tends to make a little bit less sweet. It can be an overpowering flavour, so I tend to have less cinnamon. We're going to go with the nutmeg. Now this one is the whole. I don't know if you can see that there. This is the whole nutmeg. So what we're going to do is we're going to grate that up on top. Bear with me for a second. Right, here we go. Almost forgot this. Right, so we get that, grate it on top. Again, nutmeg is another quite powerful spice, so you don't want to go too much on it. Just a little bit can really give you a good flavour. So that's the nutmeg. Then, last couple ingredients. Let's get our flaxseed in there. Like I said, this is really good sprinkle top stuff to give you that protein kick. Flaxseed gives you, I believe it's about 22.1 per 100 of protein. Along with the almond peanut butter, which is about 25 to 30%. Let's see. Per 100 protein. Okay, 23. So this one's crunchy almond butter. and it gives 23 grams per 100 of protein. So let's sprinkle this one in. Just like that. There we go. Not too much. There we go. So you can do it to how your sort of taste buds are really. So like I said, I like a lot of cinnamon. But you know, if you like more ginger, you like more cinnamon, you like more nutmeg, you like more oats. If you like a thicker shake, then you know, by all means, that's down to you. So last ingredient, once we've got that all in there, is on this particular container, it tells you where to fill up to. So there's a max line there. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour in the milk. Okay. I'm just right around that max line there with all the ingredients. To one side. Then on goes the attachment. There we go. Right. Onto the Nutribullet. Blast it for about 30 seconds to a minute, something like that. Well, basically until the ingredients are all made in a nice, consistent, smoothie way. Okay, let's go. Oh, wait a sec. You must have got peanut butter. Especially almond peanut butter. My gosh, okay. Can't forget that because I love the taste of peanuts. So a tablespoon should do. Now I've read some ingredients, recipes out there that say you can put in like 4 spoons. If you really like your peanuts, you can go ahead and do that much. I'm going to put in 2 spoons of almond peanut butter. So I do like my peanuts, but I'm going to go for 4 spoons of peanut butter. Right, now we're ready to blend it up. Okay, pop that in there, and blast away. As you see, all mixing up there. Almost done. Spices really mixing in there. That should be enough to blast the oats and make it smooth once the oats are some of the roughest materials in there. Okay. How's the consistency looking? Yeah, that's looking smoothie-like. Okay, so we got that there. Next is to decant. So you've got your delicious smoothie, you're enjoying life, all you need is something to enjoy it with. Right, well, I hope you guys have a great day or night, depending on when you're watching this, or evening. But there we have it, a lovely, tasty, homemade, healthy smoothie that you can try at home and make in no time with some simple ingredients you can get down at your local store or supermarket. See you next time on Work In, Work Out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, especially if you've got any other recipes that's interesting that I can perhaps try out here. Do let me know. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you know the next time some new content comes out from Work In, Work Out.